This is an estate planning quick take, and as we're entering spring, I thought it would be a good idea to do an estate planning conversation on just cleaning up your stuff. I mean, from an estate planning standpoint, the number one conversation that I have with most of my clients that have passed away, and I'm talking to their beneficiaries, is, boy, mom and dad had a lot of stuff to clean out. And, you know, it doesn't have to be that way. And I think there's a lot of stress with clearing stuff out that I think is hard for, you know, the older generation to let go of or to get rid of. But if you have parents that are still alive and they're out there, I mean, this is a good time to start cleaning some of that stuff up, you know, and understand what is valuable, what's not valuable, what needs to be kept in the family, what doesn't. It makes those decisions a lot easier than if you're doing it with no guidance. So this is a quick legacy planning quick take. Again, please comment, like, subscribe. All the good YouTube stuff helps other people find us. And if you have any questions, you know what to do. Thank you.